Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning. I'm going to teach you the subject financial accounting and the topic which we are starting is underwriting of shares and debentures. Okay, chalo let's read the problem, understand the problem and then start. This is problem number 12. Rex Limited invited the application for public for 1 lakh equity share. See, they're applying for 1 lakh equity shares. Okay, this is an application of shares of rupees 10 each at premium of 5. The premium is how much? 5 rupees. Yes, the premium will be how much? 5 rupees. That means 10 rupees shares will be sold in the market for how much rupees? 15 rupees. Okay. The entire shares were underwritten by underwriters. The name of underwriter is A, B, C and D to the extent of 30%, 30%, 20% and 20%. Chalo, let's do that. Now, till now we had only 3 underwriters. This time we are having a 4 underwriters. So we will increase the column. Okay. So the here we'll be having a column number D and here we'll be having total. Correct? See how much share they have told you? 1 lakh. Correct? And this person is 30%, 30%, 20%, 20%. Correct? If I'm not mistaken, 30, 30, 20, 20. Okay. बहुत simple है बच्चा. 1 lakh का 30% is 30,000. Again this is 30,000. इसका आएगा 20,000. 20% will be 20,000. And इसका हो जाएगा again 20,000. हो गया आपका 1 lakh. रेशियोज भी बहुत सिंपल है, सब जीरोज अगर हम निकाल देते हैं तो रेशियोज आ जाता है 3:3, 3:3, again 2:2. Okay, this is my basis of commission. Basis. Okay, now let's read the problem. The entire issue was underwritten by the underwriters A, B, C to the extent of 30%, 30%, 20%, 20% respectively, with the provision of underwriting by the firm. Yes, firm underwriting was the firm underwriting was 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 and 1,000 respectively. The underwriters will be getting commission permitted by law, maximum commission permitted by law. आपको मैंने फर्स्ट चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया था कितना परमिशन है इक्विटी शेयर पे 5%. कितना अलाउड है? 5%. The commission received was 70,000. Application received कितना हो गया? 70,000. No, I think commission as per the law for equity shareholders for less than 1 lakh share is 2.5. If I'm not mistaken. Let me check it off because yes, it is 2.5%. So this time commission you will be removing at 2.5 because वहाँ पे बोला है maximum commission permitted by law. So law 2.5% commission allow करता है. Okay. The application received A 19,000, B 10,000, C 21,000. This was marked application in the favor of A, B, D, C. Calculate the liability of underwriter with the firm underwriting share treated as. Now see, this is most important. This time इन लोगों ने आपको दोनों मेथड से करने बोला है. एक मेथड ये है जहाँ पे firm underwriter is treated as mark application and another method is when it is treated as unmarked application. यानी कि जो फॉर्म अंडर अभी तक जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने लास्ट 3-4 प्रॉब्लम करवाए आई वाज अज्यूमिंग दैट फॉर्म अंडरराइटर इज ट्रीटेड एज मार्क्ड एप्लीकेशन, मतलब हमें हमारे इसमें ही मिलने चाहिए. अनमार्क में कैसे होगा? तो इस बार हम लोग 2 तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग इट. Mark application is 19, 10, 21 and 8,000. So this is always given as I say you. Yes. So how much it is given? 19,000, 10,000, 21,000 and 8,000. So this is 19,000. Other is 10,000. This one is 21,000 and this one is 8,000. Okay, again I'll say 19,000, 10,000, 21,000 and 8,000. What will be the total of all these people? So total will be 19,000 plus 10,000 plus 21,000 plus 8,000. Okay, so that comes to 58,000. See, ये मैं पहले वाला कर रही हूँ where it is treated as marked one. ओके, अनमार्क का कैसे आएगा आई बी शोएंगे. चलो माइनस करो. 30,000 में से 19 गया तो कितना बचा? 30,000 minus 19,000. Yes, remaining is 11,000. So this person will have 11,000. 10,000 गया तो बचा 20,000. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव 1,000 और यहाँ पे आ गया 12,000. सो यहाँ पे टोटल आ जाएगा 42,000. एम आई करेक्ट? मैंने आपको बोला है चेक करते जाओ. 11,000 प्लस 20,000 प्लस 12,000 माइनस 1,000 आया बेटा? 48 नहीं 42,000 करेक्ट. नाउ टोटल मार्क एप्लीकेशन रिसीव वॉज 70,000. आउट ऑफ 70,000 58,000 was marked application. So 12,000 is unmarked application. What is unmarked application? 12,000. So this balance will come to 30,000. Correct na? Total application received. Now this will be divided in the ratio of this ratio. Correct? Always this will be divided in this ratio. So what will be the thing? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 12,000 divided by 10. That is coming to 1200. So 12 3s are 36. So this will come to 3,600. This will come to 3,600. This will come to 2,400. This will come to 2,400. Multiplication is simple, correct? और टोटल करके देखो 12,000 आ रहा है. 3,600 प्लस 3,600 2,400 2,400. So total is coming to 12,000, correct? So 11,000 minus 3,600, that is coming to 7,400. This will come as 20,000 minus 3,600, that is coming to 16,400. ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव ऐड, so it becomes 3,400. And again this is 12,000 minus 2,400, that comes to 9,600. This is your balance, correct? Now you'll have less. अगेन टोटलिंग करते देखते जाओ बच्चों, बराबर आ रहा है क्या? 7,400 प्लस 16,400 प्लस 9,600 माइनस 3,400 आ रहा है 30,000, करेक्ट? नाउ लेस फॉर्म underwriting. Yes. Sorry, not let's It is firm undertaking. Yes. What is a firm undertaking? The firm undertaking was 3 lakhs, sorry, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 and 1,000. So it is firm underwriting ही है. What is happening? Yes, what is firm underwriting? Again, I forgot it. What was the thing? Yes, it is 3211. So this is 3, 2, 1, 1. Total firm underwriting is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7,000. So this becomes 23,000. I think you always know that this is also always given. So this will come to 4,400. This is coming to 16 minus 2 is 14,400. ये again बढ़ जाएगा 4,400 because minus minus add and sign minus आता है. This will become 8,600. This is again balance. Again we can just check it out whether we are going correctly. 4,400 plus 14,400 minus 4,400 plus 8,600, 23,000. Correct? Now what is going to come? Yes, less credit of, who is having a credit balance? C. Credit of C adjusted in the ratio of 3:3:2. 3 plus 2 is how much? 336 and 2 is 8. Okay, so 4,400 divided by 8, that is 550. 550 into 3 is coming to 1650. 1650. Both are having 3. 1650. Here 4,400 all adjustment, and then 4,400 divide by 8 multiply by 2, that is coming to, अरे क्या हुआ, 550 multiply by 2, that comes to 110. So 1100. Here we don't do anything, as usual we know. So again here you will have a balance. Yes, what is the balance? 4400 minus 1650, that is coming to 2750. Yes, so that is coming to 2750. Here you will be having 14400 minus 1650, that is coming to 12750. 12750. Here it is 0, here it is 7500. Now let's see the totaling as it is coming to 23,000 or not. 2750 plus 7,500. Exactly 23,000. Are you getting it? After this, again what we do, you add. What do you add? Firm underwriting. Yes, what is the firm underwriting? See, firm underwriting here was 3000, here was 2000, here was 1000, here was 1000. The total was coming to 10,000, correct? So now the net liability, net liability, the net liability of underwriters will be, yes, the net liability of underwriters will be, this will be 5750, this will be 14750, this will be only 1000, and this will be 8500. So total should come to 30,000. Let's see. I don't have a calculator, again went away. So 5750 plus 14750 plus 1000 plus 8500. So this will come to 30,000. Are you getting it, students? Now this was when the form application is treated as marked application. Now see, this time they are asked you in two ways. First we have done it at marked, now it will be done as an unmarked application. Now what will happen in the case of unmarked application? I have copied something. See, your gross liability will be same, mark will be same, balance will come same, unmarked. From here the changes will take place. From here this 7,000 will be divided in the ratio of this. Are you getting it? Because this time you are treating firm underwriting as a unmarked application. Unmarked application, that means it will be divided as it is given in the case of unmarked application. So it will be 7,000 divided by 10. 7,000 divided by 10 is 700. So 7 3s are 21. So this will come as 2,100. Again this will come as 2,100. 7 2s are 14. It will come as 1,400. This will come as 1,400. The total comes to this much. Now again when you minus it, 5, that is 5,300. Here 14,300. Here again it will be added, that is coming to 4,800, and here it will come as 8,200. Now again total and see whether we are correct. 5,300 plus 14,300 minus 4,800, add 8,200. The total is coming wrong. That means I have done some mistake. That is 7,400 minus 2,100. So 5,300. 16,400 minus 2,100. It is coming 14,300 is correct. 3,400 plus 1,400. This is also correct. 9,600 minus 1,400. 8,002. Again, so either I have done mistake here. 22,100, 2,100, 1,400, 1,000. Correct, coming to 7,000. Why then there is a mistake? So 5,300 plus 14,300 plus 4, sorry, not 4. This is minus. Again, I'll do it again. 5,300 plus 14,300 minus 4,800, add 8,200. See, it is coming to 23,000. So we are correct. Now again this C credit will be adjusted. So C is having a credit of 4,800. 3 plus 3 6 7 8. Divide by 8. It is coming to 600. So 6 3s are 18. So here 1,800. Here also 1,800. And here 6 3 2s are 12. That is, sorry, here though will be giving full 4,800. This person is 1,200. Again minus, that is 5,300 minus 1,800. That is 3,500. Here it is 14,300 minus 1,800. It is coming to 12,500. Here 0 and here I think 7,000. Correct, na? Let's check it out. 8,200 minus 1,200, that is coming to 7,000, plus 12,500 plus 3,500, it is coming to 23,000. Again you are going to add the firm underwriting. Correct. Now what is a firm underwriting? Here firm underwriting, yes, but this time firm underwriting will be added as per they have applied, not as per this. The firm underwriting will be exactly the same what have we added here. The firm and underwriting which will not change, bacha. Okay. So 3,000, 2,000, that will not change. Only the treatment of it will change. So this person will take 3,000, this person will add 2,000, this person will take 1,000, this person will take, so total come to 7,000. Okay, so this person now will give a money of 6,500 share. This person will give 14,500. This person will give 1,000. This person will give 8,000. Now your total is coming, should come to 30,000. Okay, so now it is how much? 6,500 plus 14,500 plus 1,000 plus 8,000. So total comes to 30,000. Okay, students, now see we have done both the methods. See, there is a different here. 5,750 is coming, and here it is coming to 6,500. So depending upon your ratios, it will go away. Okay, this is a last part, and then over also ascending the commission payable by different writers. Now see, commission payable is nothing to do with the methods. Commission is always given on the gross price. So chalo, we'll calculate it. Commission on gross price. Now I'll just do it at one place only. और यहाँ पे ABCDEFG सब लिख लेना अपने आप से. ओके बच्चों? यस. Now see, what was the value of share? The value of share is 15 rupees, and they told as a maximum permitted by law. The permitted by law is 2.5%. Okay, so what will happen here? Commission. Now see, what is the gross liability? This person is having 30,000. ये आप अलग से बनाना टेबल. हाँ, मुझे आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट, बट यू विल बी मेकिंग एज अ डिफरेंट कमीशन कैलकुलेशन करके. ओके, 20,000 total 1 lakh, and here it is also 20,000. Correct. Now share price at the rate of 15 rupees. Correct. So it is 30,000 into 15. It is coming to 4,50,000. So 4,50,000. This is again coming for 4,50,000, and then this will be 20,000 into 15. It is coming to 3 lakhs. This is coming to 3 lakhs, and this will come to total will come to 1 lakh. Multiply by 15, it comes to 15 lakhs. Correct. So this coming to 15 lakhs. Now see whether your total is coming to 15 lakh. 4,50,000, 4,50,000, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Correct. 15%. Now commission. What is a commission? as per the law, the commission payable is at the rate of 2.5%. Correct? So it is 4,50,000 into 2.5%. It is coming to 11,250. 11,250. This is also 11,250. This will be 3 lakhs multiplied by 2.5. That is, अरे कैसे ज़्यादा आएगा? 3 lakhs into 2.5 percentage, that comes to 7,500. This is also coming to 7,500. So the total is 11,250 plus 11,250 plus 7,500 plus 7,500, that is coming to 37,500. क्रॉस चेक करना है तो बच्चों इट इज 15 lakhs 2 3 4 5 इंटू 2.5 percentage. The commission is coming to say, see, they have asked only for computation of commission, nothing else. They said also ascertain the commission payable to the different underwriters. So we have done it. So ये commission जो होगा वो दोनों method में almost same होगा. There will be no difference because commission is always calculated on the gross liability. So by this we have completed the problem. Here you can do one more thing. You can remove again the amount receivable or payable to the underwriters. Amount receivable and payable to the underwriters will come different in both the situation, because in both the situation they are buying different numbers of shares. Are you getting it? You can little bit do more hard working. This is the last problem which I have done in this chapter. From next lecture onwards we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, chalo, take care, bye, enjoy learning.